Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes, and pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is to create a fraud response plan. Now, I recently wrote a blog that outlines the business email compromise stats for 2020 that were recently published from the FBI. And in that blog, I stressed that you need to report incidents to the FBI when they occur. And I'll link to that blog in the description below. Now, you need to be ready to act quickly if you find you have been tricked into sending funds to fraudulent bank accounts. But what does that plan look like? The first step is to create a contact list. Internal contacts, your bank, the bank receiving the funds, the local FBI office, filing an IC3 report, and that's at www.ic3.gov, and I'll put that in the description as well. The police, and as appropriate, your insurance professionals. Now, in creating that response plan, you need to make clear who is to take specific steps and make sure they are authorized and have the required access to carry them out. So that was step 2. Step 3 is to make sure you review the plan monthly and update as needed. Just like everything else, review the plan in case team members switch positions, leave, or you establish different processes as a result of the ever-changing world of fraud. And a monthly basis is a great interval to start with. So if you would like more information on how to combat fraud, please go to my website, debrarrichardson.com, for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just overall bad vendor data. So good luck, and don't forget to tune in next Tuesday for next week's Vendor Master File tip of the week.